Looking for a quick shortcut to make delicious homemade donuts? In this recipe, you only need 2 ingredients, canned biscuits and a little oil for frying. So you want to start by flattening the biscuits just a bit and use something small like a water bottle cap to cut a hole in the center. And don't toss those centers, roll them up to make donut holes. Heat your oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then fry each donut for roughly 1 minute per side until they're nice and golden brown. Move them to a cooling rack so any extra oil can drip off while they cool. Now, I tested 2 different options when cutting out the center. I tried using both a milk jug cap and a water bottle cap. The smaller hole gave a puffier donut, which I ended up liking more. You'll also notice the donuts on the right look a bit darker. That's because the oil got too hot, around 400 degrees. The ones on the right overcooked fast, so keeping your oil steady at 350 degrees really does make a difference, and I would recommend using a candy thermometer for this. Once they've cooled a bit, it's time to add some toppings. First, make a classic glaze with powdered sugar, milk, a splash of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Dip one side of the donut, let it set, and then flip and dip the other. For a thicker glaze, you can even repeat the process. And don't forget to toss in the donut holes for bite-sized deliciousness. For a chocolate version, use the same base but add unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 more tablespoons of milk. Cocoa powder is a very drying ingredient, so you'll want the extra moisture. Stir until smooth and then dip half the donut in the glaze and immediately top with sprinkles. My whole family loves to be extra generous with the sprinkles. The third option for the donuts is a super simple cinnamon sugar coating. Just mix the 2 together and toss the donuts or donut holes while they're still warm so it sticks nicely. And that's it. These biscuit donuts are so easy yet crazy tasty. Perfect for when you're craving something sweet without all the work. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy, egg-free recipes and fun kitchen ideas. Thanks so much for following along.